All right, welcome back. I'm Meenakshi Upreti. You're watching Times Now. Our top focus is Ram Navami. Both BJP and TMC held a Shobha Yatra on the occasion of Ram Navami amidst heightened tensions ahead of the Lok Sabha elections 2024. BJP's candidate from Bardhaman, the Durgapur, Dilip Ghosh, has participated in this Shobha Yatra amidst heavy security deployment. On the other hand, TMC leaders also took out a yatra, which was led by party leader and Havra seat candidate Prasoon Banerjee. Earlier on Tuesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while hitting out at the TMC, said that the people got permission of the courts for the Shobha Yatra on Ram Navami. He also asserted that despite all the attempts by the TMC, this was the first occasion when Lord Ram was seated in Ayodhya and the grand procession took place. On the other hand, the Chief Minister continues to fearmonger and has said that the BJP intends to stoke communal tensions. In fact, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, during a rally in Bengal, alleged that based on BJP's instructions, the DIG of Murshidabad was changed. Now, if there are riots in Murshidabad and Malda, she says, and I'm quoting, that the responsibility will lie with the Election Commission, unquote. She also added that BJP wanted to change the police officers to trigger riots and violence. Listen in first of all to this war of words.
बंगाल में राम नवमी की शोभा यात्रा की परमिशन नहीं मिलती। उसके लिए श्रद्धालुओं को कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है। लेकिन रामनवमी और दुर्गा पूजा की शोभा यात्राओं पर पत्थर फेंकने वालों को टीएमसी सरकार ने पूरी परमिशन दे रखी है।
आज हमारे एक डीआईजी को भी मुर्शिदाबाद रेंज में चेंज कर दिया बीजेपी का बातों पे। अगर मुर्शिदाबाद मालदा में दंगा हो जाए तो इसको जमींदारी इलेक्शन कमीशन को लेना होगा कि हमको पता है कौन दंगा संभाल सकता है। आप जानबूझ के बीजेपी का बात पे आप चुन चुन के ऑफिसर चेंज करता है।
Remember, viewers, High Court had earlier given a nod for the Shobha Yatra and it had laid down some conditions. What are those conditions? Let's take a look. Now, condition number 1, which was put by the High Court, condition number 1 said that the procession should not have over 200 participants. So there was a cap on the total number of participants. Condition number 2, that any display of any kind of weapon was not going to be allowed in these processions, said the High Court. Condition number 3, that raising provocative slogans like using a DJ, etc., was not allowed during the Shobha Yatras. Condition number 4, that, as far as vehicles are concerned, only one vehicle carrying the idols was allowed. A massive cavalcade was not allowed. So those were the conditions which had been put by the High Court. Now, as far as the TMC is concerned, the TMC is basically claiming that the PM was giving wrong statements against their party. BJP, though, is maintaining that the real motive of TMC was to instigate riot and pin the blame on the BJP. Listen in to this war of words.
प्रधानमंत्री गलत कह रही है। दुख की बात है कि वो इस तरीके से भाषण रख रहे हैं। दूसरी बात है, एक समय यही भाजपा कहती थी कि यहाँ बंगाल में सरस्वती पूजा। विभिन्न समय में देखे हैं कि वो इस तरीका का आक्रमण करते हैं। तृणमूल कांग्रेस सब धर्मों में विश्वास करती, सब जाति भाषा सबको लेकर विश्वास करती। वी बिलीव इन कम्युनल हार्मनी। यही एक बात है। लोकसभा के प्रचार में आके इस तरीके के गलत व्याख्या देना और एक पार्टी के संबंध में, मेरे ख्याल में ये सही नहीं है।
चीफ मिनिस्टर का स्टेटस का एक पॉलिटिशियन अगर ऐसा बर्ताव करे तो उसको तो सारे चुनाव प्रक्रिया से निकाल देना चाहिए था। चुनाव कमीशन का, चुनाव आयोग का काम क्या है ये देखना। ये रेगुलर वो इंस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, उसी का कारण आज एनआईए, ईडी ये लोग का ऊपर आक्रमण हुआ था। उसी का जो खून बहा है उसका कारण भी तृणमूल कांग्रेस है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली दे आर प्रोवोकेटिंग ऑल miscreants of the society just to create a riot. Desperately they want a riot.
প্রথম রামনবমী কি বার্তা দেবেন রাজ্যবাসীকে?
হিন্দু সমাজের 500 বছর লড়াইয়ের ইতিহাস তার পরিণাম হচ্ছে রাম মন্দির প্রতিষ্ঠা 22 জানুয়ারি 23 সালে। আর তারপরে প্রথম রামনবমী, রাম মন্দির প্রতিষ্ঠার পরে নিঃসন্দেহে আলাদা একটা তার আঙ্গিক আছে। সারা বিশ্বের হিন্দু সমাজ রাম মন্দির প্রতিষ্ঠার বিজয় উৎসব হিসেবে আজকে পালন করবে।
আজকে এইটা দিন পালন করতে গিয়ে আপনাদেরকে কোর্টে যেতে হচ্ছে কেন তাহলে?
পশ্চিমবাংলার সরকার রাজ্য চালায় না, কোর্ট চালায়। তাই যখন সমস্ত কিছুর ফয়সালা কোর্টের সিদ্ধান্তে হচ্ছে, এখানে সভা সমিতি হবে কিনা, এখানে শোভাযাত্রা হবে কিনা, পুজো পাঠ হবে কিনা, ছুটি কবে হবে, এ সবই, এমনকি যে দুর্নীতি হচ্ছে সেটাও তদন্ত কোর্ট করছে।
সারা দেশে তো কোথাও তো এরকম কোর্টে যেতে হচ্ছে না, রামনবমী সারা দেশে পালন হচ্ছে।
এটাকে দেশের বাইরে মনে করা হয়, জয় বাংলা যারা বলছে, বাংলাদেশের স্লোগান দিচ্ছে, বা সবকিছু এই সুপ্রিম কোর্ট মানবো না, কি বলে আদালত মানবো না, লোকসভা মানবো না, নির্বাচন কমিশনকে মানবো না, সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্টকে মানবো না, সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সকে মানবো না, এজেন্সিকে মানবো না, এই মানসিকতার কারণে এটা হচ্ছে, মনে হয় ভারতের বাইরে একটা দেশ।
All right, Shreya joining us live on the broadcast. Shreya, it's very interesting that at a time when Mamata Banerjee is literally predicting riots by the BJP, you have a TMC candidate who's also holding a Shobha Yatra on the occasion of Ram Navami. What does the TMC have to say now?
You know, of course, we see that the TMC party now today holds Shobha Yatra. Not only one candidate from Howrah, Prashant Banerjee, we see other members of the TMC party also hold Shobha Yatra. Now, it is really shocking because we have seen Mamata Banerjee has been predicting since the last few days that on 19th there is first phase of polling in West Bengal, and on 17th there will be a riot. Says that this is the day when they will give slogans and there will be a riot-like situation. We have seen Mamata Banerjee mentioning the word danga in many of her public rallies recently and telling the people to keep their head cool, not to fall for it, not to take part in this kind of riot and danga. Now, of course, we see that there is a war of what. Remember, it is not only between the TMC and the BJP party, but also between the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister. We see Prime Minister Modi, while addressing a rally in West Bengal, says that it is the TMC party who tries to create hindrance for the Ram Navami celebration in Bengal, who tries to create hindrance for the Shobha Yatra. Says people have to approach court, then take permission to take part in Ram Navami celebration. This is what the PM have said. After that, we see TMC coming out and also arranging Ram Navami rallies, also arranging Shobha Yatras, and saying that PM is trying to create deflection among the people because it is also the TMC party who is taking part in this kind of celebration. Now, remember, after repeated warning by the Chief Minister that there can be a riot, so far we have not seen any untoward incident from the state of West Bengal. We have also seen that when the DIG of Murshidabad was transferred, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that if there is any riot-like situation in Malda and Murshidabad, now the Election Commission has to take responsibility because they are doing this shifting with the instruction of BJP. So, of course, we see a war of war between the TMC and BJP in the state of West Bengal regarding the Ram Navami celebrations.
Well, absolutely, Shreya. There's a massive face-off between the TMC and the BJP regarding the Ram Navami celebrations. And, you know, the BJP, of course, is hitting out at the TMC, and we'll be looking at more reactions also which are coming in. But take us through, you know, this initial statement which was made by Mamata Banerjee, which triggered the entire controversy. Mamata Banerjee literally predicting riots. BJP, of course, has hit out and have blamed and attacked TMC and Mamata of fear-mongering and provoking on the pious occasion of Ram Navami.
You know, of course, we have to mention one thing, that it was not only once that the Chief Minister have mentioned danga or riot, but multiple times while she was holding different public meeting in North Bengal. We have seen Mamata Banerjee saying that 17th is the date of creating riot by them. She says that they will raise slogan, they will try to create danga, but she asks the people to keep their head cool and not to fall for that. So, of course, the BJP takes down on Mamata Banerjee on this issue, says that she is the Chief Minister of state and this is the kind of statement she is making.
Okay.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।